Laser coders use some pretty impressive technology, and as a result, they can be quite a challenge to install and set up on a production line. But the iCON Specialty Small Character Laser Coder is different. It comes with a special iCON Wizard software utility, which makes installation and setup really easy. The iCON Wizard guides the user step by step through the installation and setup process, ensuring an easy, trouble-free startup and top-quality coding. The user is first of all asked to select a message. Note that on this screen, as on all screens, the user may choose to go back one step, to advance, or to return to the iCON homepage. After the message, the user tells the iCON how it is positioned relative to the message it will deliver. There are 4 options, and when the correct one is chosen, you can be sure that the message will be printed the right way up. In the next screen, there is a choice between static printing, that is, the item to be printed is not moving, and dynamic printing, the item is moving. If it's static, the rest is pretty easy. Dynamic is a little more complicated, but the wizard makes it easy. Let's proceed with the dynamic application. On this screen, simply choose the direction of movement of the production line. Left to right as you look at it, or right to left. Now you must tell the iCON whether or not there's a shaft encoder to tell the iCON how fast the production line is going. If there is a shaft encoder, you must now input the circumference of the shaft encoder wheel in millimeters. If there is no shaft encoder, the production line must be running at a constant speed, and you would input this speed here. Next step is to tell the iCON whether or not a photocell is in use to trigger printing. If there is a photocell, you must now choose one of 4 trigger mechanisms so that the iCON knows what it must respond to. That's all. You're set up and ready to print. Print a test message and see if it's what you want. On the next screen, you can make the fine adjustments to the strength of the printing. If it's too bold, increase the mirror speed. If it's too faint, reduce it. Test again, and when you're happy with the printing strength, you can look at the width of the message. If it's too wide, reduce it. Or if it's too narrow, increase the mirror speed. Test again, and when you're happy, you're ready to go into production. It's that easy.